Hi, welcome to Math 136. I'm your instructor, Brennalee Brenneman. My pronouns are she and her. A little bit about me, I'm kind of an all-around nerd. I like learning about math, the words, music, psychology, just anything to do with how things work in the world. I like playing lots of different kinds of games, board games, online games, D&D, whether that be just on my own on the computer or with family, friends. Um, I like to wind down with offline things like word puzzles, jigsaw puzzles, that type of thing. Um, and fairly recently, I started bowling in a league. I'm not very good at it, but I keep doing it. And I play the cello, not super well, but well enough. Now and then I get to play on my church's worship band, and I enjoy doing that. And then when I have more time, I like to go camping, hiking, kayaking. Locally, Turkey Run and Shades are some of my favorite places here in Indiana. And I like doing more extended traveling. I have a sister in California and another in Peru, so I have visited them a few times. Or I also enjoy doing tours with a tour group. So I've been to Ireland, Costa Rica, Switzerland, and yeah, hope to hit more destinations in the future. As far as for this course, the thing to start out with is making sure and thinking about whether you understand just the basic natural laws of the math universe, how math, particularly how algebra functions. So that'd be things like order of operations, fractions, factoring, squaring, binomials, all these things. This course is set up with the assumption that you know how to do those. They are the tools that you will be using to build new ideas within this course. So take some time now to assess yourself on these topics. So where to do that? You could go to Khan Academy, or you could go in the course once you have access to MATLAB, go into the study plan and navigate to the review chapter and look at those things again, all those topics of how to work with algebraic expressions that involve they're going to involve variables, different operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but fractions are a big one. Exponents and how those work, and parentheses and what parentheses in different places mean. All those details of how to work with algebraic expressions are going to be used in this course, and if you struggle with them, it's going to potentially be an issue. It's going to take a lot more work and effort and frustration to get through the course. So be thinking about, as you're looking at these, are you confident that you know how to do them? And is that confidence supported by being able to consistently get the correct result in those processes? So rather than having that extra work and effort and frustration throughout the course, you could put in the extra work and effort now, fill in those gaps, any that you might have, and then that will avoid the frustration throughout the course. For additional tips and information and resources in the course, there is a course tour video in this same announcement, and throughout the course there are resource pages, as well as I will be posting weekly course-wide announcements with module-specific information and tips. So watch for those. Once again, welcome to the course. I look forward to having a great semester with you.